Hi, I'm Sarah. It's time for another cooking video. So this is a simple soup recipe. You can add your own flair to it. So when I did it, I added chopped celery. You can also add in chopped onions, and you can also add carrots if you want. And spinach is one of the main ingredients, but you don't have to use spinach if you don't want to. So it's the sausage gnocchi soup. I used rope sausage, but you can use ground sausage and cook that before adding it to the soup. And of course you can use gnocchi like I did, or you could even use cut up potatoes instead. So I hope you enjoy. Thanks.